everyone, and welcome back to The Sincere Lifestyle. Today we have a quick and easy baked salmon recipe, and step 1 is to preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit. So all of the salmon that you use, make sure it's thawed. Right now we have about, 5-6 pieces of salmon here. And so I already rinsed this and cleansed it. You can use lemon, you can use vinegar to cleanse and then rinse that out fully. And so the next step is to season this. So make sure your hands are washed, and we're using black pepper, paprika, and be generous with this, and some oregano. And so what you do at this point with your washed hands is just mix it all so you can get seasoning on different sides of the fish. Make sure it's all seasoned. Look at that. It's all seasoned really nicely. So I'm going to wash my hands and move to the next step. So next up, we're going to make the marinade, which is a balsamic honey glaze. So we're going to put in about, let's say, half a cup of balsamic vinegar. I'm doing a third of a cup, okay? A third. And now honey. So I am going to actually, put about a tablespoon of honey. Put that in there. Ooh, look at that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to oil the baking pan that we're going to use. I like to use extra virgin olive oil. And so we're going to just put a little drop of oil there. Ooh, it's more than a little drop, but you know. And then just oil this up because the fish is going to go here, and it's going to be easier to take out once it's baked with this oil on the bottom here. And we're going to lay the salmon fillets there, nice and seasoned. Look at that, looking all yummy. So we're going to lay that here. And the skin portion will be down, okay? So I love chopped garlic. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this chopped garlic on this for flavor as well. And so now we are going to put the glaze that we made with the honey and the balsamic vinegar on top. And what you do is you just drizzle this on, okay? Just drizzle. Drizzle just like that. Just drizzle. Just like that. Okay. And it's nice for the juices just to be there so it can sizzle and be so tasty when you take it out. And now it's ready to pop right in the oven. So we're gonna put it in the oven and put the timer on 12 minutes. And then we're gonna check it periodically just to see if it's done. So I left it in for 15 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit, and the way you can tell it's ready, you see how that flakes open like that? That is ready, honey. That's gonna be very yummy. Very yummy. So that's it, quick and easy, honey balsamic glazed salmon. It took 15 minutes only to bake this, so try it at home, leave your comments below, and let me know how it goes for you. See you next time.
Hit the subscribe button and press like on the video. See you next time.